Have you ever wished you could magically make any cat love you? Some people seem to have an effortless bond with felines, while others get ignored, or worse, swatted. But what if I told you there's zero magic involved, just science? Today I'm sharing 20 scientifically proven ways to make any cat adore you, even if they're usually standoffish. But first, let's start with a quick cat quiz. Which of these is a sign that a cat trusts you? A. Flicking its tail back and forth. B. Slowly blinking at you. C. Staring directly into your eyes without blinking. Comment your answer below, and let's see who really knows their feline body language. And if you love learning about cats, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Now, let's unlock the secrets to a cat's heart. 1. Let the cat make the first move. Want a cat to like you? Don't chase them. Studies show that cats prefer to initiate interactions on their terms. Instead of forcing affection, sit back and let the cat decide when to approach you. This gives them a sense of control, making them feel safe and more likely to bond with you. 2. Slow blink to show trust. Ever heard of the cat slow blink? When a cat trusts you, they'll give you a slow, relaxed blink. If you do the same back, you're mimicking the way cats communicate affection. Research confirms that cats are more likely to approach and bond with humans who slow blink at them. So next time you see a cat, try giving them a slow blink. If they return it, congratulations, they like you. 3. Speak their language. Pet them where they like. Not all petting is created equal. Cats love being scratched on the cheeks, under the chin, and at the base of the tail, where their scent glands are. These spots feel good and help reinforce their bond with you. But beware. Most cats dislike belly rubs and too much pressure on their back. Always pay attention to their body language. If the tail starts flicking, ears go back, or they suddenly stop purring, it's time to stop. 4. Use a gentle, high-pitched voice. Did you know that cats respond better to high-pitched voices? Just like they communicate with kittens in soft, gentle tones, they prefer calm, melodic voices from humans too. Talking softly to a cat can make them feel more comfortable around you. 5. Offer food, but the right way. Food is the fastest way to a cat's heart, but it's not just about feeding them. To build a bond, hand feed treats occasionally so they associate you with something positive. Also, be consistent with meal times. Cats love routine, and they'll begin to trust and depend on you. 6. Play like a cat. A cat's instincts revolve around hunting. To engage them, use toys that mimic prey, like feather wands or moving objects. Don't just dangle the toy. Move it like real prey would. Quick movements, pauses, and sudden changes in direction make the game irresistible. 7. Give them a comfortable space. Cats love cozy, safe spaces. Providing hiding spots, soft blankets, and quiet areas makes them feel secure. When a cat knows they have a retreat, they're more likely to relax and feel safe around you. 8. Use their name, but not too much. Cats recognize their names, but they don't always respond. Instead of calling them over and over, say their name gently before rewarding them with something positive, like food or playtime. Over time, they'll associate their name with good things. 9. Let them rub their scent on you. Cats mark things they love with their scent. If they rub against you, congratulations, you're part of their family. Don't push them away. Instead, let them claim you by rubbing their head or body against you. 10. Respect. Their nap time. Cats sleep a lot, up to 16 hours a day. If you wake them up for attention, they might associate you with annoyance rather than affection. Instead, let them come to you when they're awake and active. 11. Copy their body language. Want a cat to feel comfortable with you? Try mirroring their behavior. If they stretch, stretch too. If they yawn, do a slow yawn back. This subtle imitation builds trust and makes them feel like you understand them. 12. Avoid direct eye contact. Eye contact can be a sign of aggression in cat language. If a cat is nervous, avoid staring directly at them. Instead, use slow blinks or look slightly away to make them feel more at ease. 13. Let them win during playtime. If you always snatch the toy away, they might lose interest. Instead, let them catch it occasionally. This boosts their confidence and keeps them engaged. 14. Use positive reinforcement, not punishment. Cats don't respond well to punishment. Yelling or scolding makes them fearful. Instead, reward good behavior with treats, petting, or playtime. If they do something wrong, redirect their behavior rather than punishing them. 15. Be patient and consistent. Building a bond with a cat takes time. Some warm up quickly while others take weeks or months. Stay patient and let them set the pace. 16. Smell matters. To cats have a strong sense of smell and use it to recognize people. If you wear strong perfumes or heavily scented lotions, it might overwhelm them. Keep your scent consistent and natural so they associate it with safety and comfort. 17. Retreat at the right time. Knowing when to back off is just as important as knowing when to engage. If a cat starts flicking its tail or backing away, respect their space. Pushing too hard can make them avoid you. 18. Let them sniff you. First, before petting a cat, let them sniff your hand. Cats rely on scent to decide if they trust someone. If they rub against you, that's a green light for petting. 19. Create a safe and enriching environment. Happy cats are affectionate cats. Providing vertical spaces, cozy hideouts, and scratching posts helps them feel secure. Enrichment activities like puzzle feeders and interactive toys prevent boredom, reducing stress. 20. Spend quality time together, even if it's just sitting nearby. Not all cats want cuddles, but simply being in the same room can build trust. Sit near them while reading or watching TV. Over time, they'll associate your presence with safety and seek you out more. And now the answer to our quiz. The correct answer is B. Slowly blinking at you. If a cat gives you a slow blink, it's their way of saying, I trust you. If you got it right, let me know in the comments. And there you have it. 20 scientifically backed ways to make any cat love you. If you follow these tips, you'll soon have a feline friend seeking you out for cuddles and head bumps. How many of these tips are you already using? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing cat tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.